I'm going to show you how to add sound effects to your videos in CapCut. So it's pretty easy. Basically, you just have to open the project that you are working on and go to the top left corner of the screen where it says import, then go to the second option, audio, and here you will find the sound effects section. It is going to be the second option, and you can select from all of these topics, or you can go to trending sound effects and you can add any of these sound effects, or you can search for them as well. So if this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation, and see you in the next one.